How do I profile a Python script? Project Euler and other coding contests often have a maximum time to run, or people boast of how fast their particular solution runs. With Python, sometimes the approaches are somewhat kludgy, i.e., adding timing code to _main_. What is a good way to profile how long a Python program takes to run?
Python includes a profiler called profile. It not only gives the total running time, but also times each function separately, and tells you how many times each function was called, making it easy to determine where you should make optimizations. You can call it from within your code, or from the interpreter, like this. Even more usefully, you can invoke the profile when running a script. To make it even easier, I made a little batch file called profile.bat. So all I have to do is run. And I get this. Edit, updated link to a good video resource from Pickin 2013 titled Python Profiling. Also via YouTube.
A while ago I made PyCallGraph, which generates a visualization from your Python code. Edit, I've updated the example to work with 3.3, the latest release as of this writing. After a pip install PyCallGraph and installing GraphViz, you can run it from the command line. Or, you can profile particular parts of your code. Either of these will generate a pycallgraph.png file similar to the image below.
It's worth pointing out that using the profiler only works, by default, on the main thread, and you won't get any information from other threads if you use them. This can be a bit of a gotcha, as it is completely unmentioned in the profiler documentation. If you also want to profile threads, you'll want to look at the threading.setProfile function in the docs. You could also create your own threading.thread subclass to do it. And use that profiler thread class instead of the standard one. It might give you more flexibility, but I'm not sure it's worth it, especially if you are using third-party code which wouldn't use your class.
The Python Wiki is a great page for profiling resources, this URL. As is the Python docs, this URL. As shown by Chris Lawler, Profile is a great tool and can easily be used to print to the screen or to file. PS. If you are using Ubuntu, make sure to install Python Profile. If you output to file, you can get nice visualizations using the following tools. PyCallGraph, a tool to create cool graph images. Install. Run. View. You can use whatever you like to view the ping file. I used GIMP. Unfortunately, I often get .graph is too large for Cairo renderer bitmaps. Scaling by 0.257079 to fit, which makes my images unusably small. so I generally create SVG files. PS. Make sure to install Graphiz, which provides the dot program. Alternative graphing using prof2. Via Maxi at Quadlibeta.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.